Forgotten username recovery failed on Plum Fix. If you've tried to recover your username on Plum and the process keeps failing, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. Plum does actually use usernames for login. Instead, it relies entirely on your registered email address or mobile number to verify your identity. That's the key detail that makes recovery different from traditional banks. When your recovery attempt fails, it usually means you're entering an unregistered email or phone number. To fix this, open the Plum app or visit the website. Select Login, then choose the option to sign in using your registered email. Plum will send you a secure magic link. Tap that link from your inbox, and you'll be logged in instantly, no username needed. If you don't receive the email, check your spam or promotions folder. Email filters sometimes redirect automated login messages. If you still can't find it, try searching your inbox for Plum to locate previous sign-up or confirmation emails. That can help you confirm which address is actually linked to your account. If you've changed your email or no longer have access to it, contact Plum's customer support. Provide your full name, phone number, and details about recent transactions or connected bank accounts. I'll use that information to verify your identity and reset access securely. The surprising truth is that username recovery isn't really part of Plum's system. Everything revolves around verifying your contact information. Once you use the right email or phone, your login will work almost instantly. So if your forgotten username recovery failed on Plum, now you know why and how to fix it. Always double check your registered email or phone number, and remember, in Plum's system, your contact info is your key to access.